What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Again, no makeup today. My hair is just natural. I got my URI basketball shirt on and I'm ready for this college video. Also, do not mind the noise outside. There's landscapers and there's really nothing I could do about that. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so ready to go back to school. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys everything I have purchased for my college house and my room and my bathroom. If you guys didn't know, my name is Ashley. Nice to meet you. If you're returning, what's poppin'? I'm going to be a senior in college in the fall at the University of Rhode Island. I'm so excited. So sad. It's my last year. I can't believe how crazy it went. If you guys are going to URI in the fall, make sure to comment down below. I'm so excited for you guys to literally have the best 4 years of your life. So yeah, I'm going to be living off campus in the Narragansett, Point Judith area, and I'm so excited. A lot of stuff I've had since like my freshman year and like sophomore year that I'm just reusing, but this is everything new that I like repurchased, like comforters, new room decor, because obviously I'm going to be filming a ton and going to be in my room a lot because all my classes are virtual. Make sure you guys subscribe if you are new here. Give this video a thumbs up and literally comment anything. I respond to all of my comments. But yeah, the first thing I got is for my kitchen. If you guys didn't know, I live and only drink iced coffee. I drink so much iced coffee, it is probably bad. And my future housemate and roommate from freshman year, Megan, she got this in white and she swears by it. So I picked up the Bodum Beam cold brew coffee maker from Target. Guys, look at how big this is. It is 52 ounces, $12.99. Literally such a good investment because it's so much cheaper than a Keurig as well, and I personally only drink iced coffee. And the phone's ringing. The next thing I purchased this from Home Goods yesterday, and I got these cascading, let me see, curtain lights. So they just like hang, they're all attached together and just hang. These were literally $10, and I literally have never had lights in my room, and I'm like, what am I waiting for? The next thing I got is for my desk. I got this from Target as well. It is so cute. It's like a calendar basically. So this is where it has all the months, and you just flip it to whatever month it is, and then all the months start here. So obviously I'll put it on September because that's when I'm moving in. You switch the days here, so, and it's perfect. It's so cute, so simplistic, and I love this. And like, I'll make it a thing, like in my vlogs, I'll wake up, change the day, because it's a new day. Okay, so the next thing I got, I want to do like kind of like a gallery wall in my room. So I got this super simplistic hanging clock, and it just hangs like this, but it also has like a hook in the back so I could figure out what I want to do, and it's plastic. Perfect. I got this from Home Goods yesterday and it was $12. The next thing I got is for my bed. I got 4 of these standard queen plush pillows. I think these were literally like $2.99 each, but I got 4 because I sleep with 2, and then 2 is to cover the shams that came with my comforter, which I will show you right now. So the theme I wanted to go for, I was envisioning a baby yellow comforter because I have a sunflower tapestry, which I used my sophomore year, which I'm still going to put in my room, and I just wanted my room to be happy. So I went to TJ Maxx and I got this comforter. I think it was $60, and this is the color it is. These are just the shams because I already washed the comforter and I just couldn't carry it up here. But this is the color it is. It's just a baby yellow, and then it came with these 2 shams. So I'm going to put these 2 on 2 of the pillows, and then the other 2 pillows I will sleep with. Yes, I love the color, and it's like a subtle yellow. The next things I just have are all in these bags from Bed Bath & Beyond. Okay, this is more like kitchen-y stuff because again, I'm gonna be cooking for myself. My sister and I got these meal prep containers just to prep for the week. A microwave cover, so like if you're microwaving pasta, it doesn't explode everywhere. We got this to go in our sink right over the drain. A laundry bag. I know this is so exciting. And over the door hook. About my school, I love URI, but I think it's like every college in Rhode Island, like we move in so late. Like I move in September 7th and I can't move in earlier, which I like want to, but that's what our lease said. And all of the college moving vlogs are like happening now, and I'm like, honey, you got a month from me. Then I got a bath mat. I'm not gonna take it out of the bag. It's a fast drying one, which is perfect. This is so exciting. I got a Brita stream and I got draw liners because you put these in your drawers so your clothes don't stick. Here's the Brita. I love Britas. There's nothing like a nice ice cold glass of water in the morning. This little mat for inside of my shower. I got a shower curtain liner, 2 more laundry bags. I don't know why. Got this little set, and you can like feel it before you buy it, but it comes with a shower curtain, a bath rug, metal roller hooks, and a storage bin. So these are the hooks. This is the shower curtain, this is the mat, and then yeah. So if you guys saw in that last clip, I told you it came with like a storage bin. And I was like looking around and I was like, oh my god, where's the storage bin? And I literally am realizing as I'm editing and like, why am I so stupid? Like, the storage bin is what all the stuff came in. Wonderful. This is from Auburn Alley. The last thing in this haul I'm so excited to share with you guys, I got these things from Posterify. This isn't sponsored. I just shout out Posterify. These posters are such good quality. I ordered these to go like with my gallery wall theme that I want to have. I got 6 posters. They're all 11 by 14 just for size reference. This one says girls just want to have fun. This one is just like this girl walking on the beach, and then inside the footprints it says Prada. This one of my husband, Travis Scott. Wish you were here, you know the vibes. This one I really like because it still has like the Louis Vuitton monogram print, but it is in all purple. The Eiffel Tower, I miss Paris so much. And then the A$AP Rocky Dior little cover. This is like the best picture ever. I wanted to get it like a blue tone, but I was like, this is just so simple. Like, look at it. So I got these 6 posters. Again, subscribe, stay tuned for my dorm tour. Not my dorm tour, my room tour, my move-in vlogs. You guys can see how I set up my room and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below where you're going to college or if you're going to URI, and subscribe. I love you all so much, and I will see you all in 2 days with a new video. Bye!